Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Wiz from SNEAKERHEAD.com here with the re-release of the Air Jordan 11 in Legend Blue. We're going to get them on foot. We're going to go over the materials, go over the box as well, and let you guys know what we feel about them. So without further ado, let's get right into them. Alrighty guys, getting into the upper for this sneaker. I'm going to start off with the tongue here. The tongue is featured in a white canvas. It feels very durable and is very strong and sturdy to the touch. There is a white strip featuring the lettering Jumpman Jordan, and it's in blue and it's stitched on the tongue directly. There is a white Jumpman logo right on that patch, so I think that's a great touch. Getting into the center of the upper, it is in a white leather, and it doesn't feel very soft. It actually feels very strong and sturdy as well, so I feel like it's going to be very durable. Not very pliable there though, but it's always a good thing to have a sneaker that's very well constructed, so I think that's a plus. Getting into the toe box and the toe for the sneaker, it is featured in a white patent leather. I feel like that's the most noticeable element for the shoe, so it is in a shiny white patent leather, so I think that just kind of gives this shoe a pop and makes it stand out from any other shoe in the court at the moment, so that's looking pretty clean. So getting into the laces, they're just crispy clean and white, and they are rope laces. Getting into the lining of the tongue, it is in black, and there's an iconic Air Jordan 11 Jumpman patch right inside of it. The ankle features a black lining around it, and if you look in the back, you're going to see a Retro 11 number 23 right above the small Jumpman logo in a Legend Blue. So overall, I think the shoe is plain and simple, and it's a very functional yet discreet shoe for the court. I dig it. Cool, getting into the midsole for the sneaker. The sneaker features a white midsole, and it almost feels like a foam-like material, so it's pretty soft, so I feel like the sneaker is going to be very comfortable on the court. The outsole is featured in a translucent blue hue. It almost looks like a blue ice element here, and being translucent, you're able to see that white Jumpman logo in the middle. The outsole also features little hits of black here and here towards the upper, and we are able to see how there is traction grips around it for extra traction and control. The heel arch supports are featured in a black and Legend Blue, and is still hard to the touch. I almost feel like it resembles a carbon fiber look. So overall, the midsole and the outsole for the sneaker is very well presented, and I totally dig it. Alrighty everyone, for the box we have a black loose lid for the box featuring a Legend Blue Jumpman logo, and for the Air Jordan font it's featured in white. The lid is also lined in this white material. The material is a little flimsy, but it's okay, it's still kind of durable. The bottom end of the box is in a dark gray that is also lined in white. You're looking inside the box, you will find inserts to keep the sneakers in shape, and the lining paper for the box and the sneakers is in a black plastic. So overall it's just a very simple box. I feel like it is just very to the point, and like I always say, less is more.
Okay fam, as for my final thoughts on the 2021 release of the Legend Blues. This low version of the original Legend Blues, or as some might recognize it, Columbia's, packs a really clean and simple colorway. I can't help to notice that the color scheme pays homage to the UNC Tar Heels, and the insole having a 25th engraved in it, commemorating 25 years since the Columbia Jordan 11s were released. In my personal opinion, the Jordan 11 Low is a nice casual sneaker suit for leisure, and it caters to a lot of sneakerheads that want to put nostalgic feel to daily life in and outside the court. So, what do y'all think? Should the colorway had stayed Columbia, or is Legend Blue a better revamp? Let me know in the comments below.
Hey, what is up Sneakerhead fam? Welcome back. It's the moment you've been waiting for. This week's giveaway is going to be the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low in Legend Blue. One of our lucky subscribers is going to be the owner of this size 10 Retro 11 Low in Legend Blue. All you need to do is be a subscriber to our channel. Let us know what your Twitter and Instagram handles are in the comments below, and you're in. Best of luck to everyone. Can't wait to see who the lucky winner is. Peace. Alright guys, that wraps it up. Thank you for joining us today. Please hit that like and subscribe buttons, and let us know what you think about this fire release in the comments below. Peace.